Hello friends, my name is Kusaguru Patel from class 4th Mona Modern English Medium School Sarangarh. Today I am going to telling about Indian population. So let's start. Population means a lot of people live in a country. In our world about 7.8 billion people live till 2020 and increasing in a high rate. China is the most populated country in the world. About 1.4 billion people live in China. India is the second most populated country in the world. About 1.3 billion people live in India. In India, a baby born in every 2 seconds. The density of cities is higher as compared to rural areas. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Rupal Patel in class 4th from Mona Modern English Medium School Sarangarh. Today I am going to tell about Indian population. Let's start. India has the second largest population in the world. A large number of people in India live below the poverty line. This means most of people in India earn less than their daily needs. The main reason for poverty in India is its ever-increasing population. India's ever-increasing population has led to many problems like shortage of food and water, shortage of schools and colleges in the country, illiteracy, increase in unemployment, increase in poverty, excessive deforestation and overgrazing by the growing population has led to land degradation. So the rapid population growth has been leading environmental degradation on a large scale in India. Thank you for listening me. Bye bye.
Hello friends, my name is Sairath Puri Goswami. I study in class 4 Mona Modern English Medium School Sarangarh. Today's my topic is about Indian population. Let's start. India is the second largest populated country in the world. Loss. India's ever increasing population has led to many problems. A few of them are: first, storage of food and water; second, storage of schools, colleges in our country; third, illiteracy and increase in poverty and increase in unemployment. Benefit: due to huge population of India, it is able to create a lot of employments. It is very important for India's economy. You can find Indian people in all over world. You can go for visit. It is a great point for India. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Akshans Pandey. I read in class 4. Today on my topic is Indian population. So let's start. India is the second most populated country in the world, only next to China. In our country, a baby born every 2 seconds. Our population might touch the fantastic figure for 1,000 million at the turn of century. The causes of growth of population are lack of education and poverty. The causes of human population, the causes of growth of human population are unemployment, urbanization, pollution, etc. The masses have to be motivated for family planning. Thank you.
A very good morning to the principal, all teachers and my dear friend. My name is Arul Thawait from class 4th row from Mona Modern English Medium School Sarangar. Today my topic is Indian population. So let's start. The most pressing problem before India is the problem of population. It is increasing very rapidly. It is more than 100 crores. The tremendous rise in the population is posing a serious threat to our economy. If we do not check it, our future will be dark. The increasing population has given birth to so many problems of food, housing, unemployment, and despair have come out of it. All the things owe their existence to this rising tide of population. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Samriddhi Kisharwani from Mona Modern English Medium School Sarangar from class 4. Today I am telling you advantage of Indian population. There are more human population, so more worker in different field. It provides enough labor force for the economic development of the country. As population is more and more item can be produced and more item can be exported. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Khushi Shahu, class 4th from Mona Model English Medium School Sarangar. Today I am tell us presentation on Indian population. Let's start. India is the second largest populated country in the world. India's ever increasing population has led to many problems. A few of them are shortage of food and water, shortage of school and college in the country, illiteracy increasing in unemployment, increasing in poverty. Thank you. Hello friends, my name is Swani Agrawal from class 4 from Mona Modern English Medium School Sarangar. Today my topic is population of India. So let's start. The current population of India contribute to 17 of the global population. Also, all these people are evenly distributed across 3.28 million square kilometers of our geographical area. So, according to the 2001 census, Uttar Pradesh is the highest populated state in India with a total number of 166 million people, while on the other hand, states like Sikkim and Lakshadweep have the lowest population of 0.5 billion in Sikkim and only 60,000 people in the island state of Lakshadweep. Thank you. Bye bye.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Nilesh Khudar from Mona Model English Medium School Sarangar, class 4th. My topic is Indian population. India is world's second most populated country in India. It has a current population of 1.3 million with population density 450
about 62.5% of India. Population falls in working group of 15.59 years. The employment rate in India was second of 93.1% days 2018. Agriculture sector was the